Hi, dear friends, welcome back to your YouTube channel. Today I am going to speak a list of the most important English words related to computers, so without any waste time let's start. Address, account, archive, attachment, background, battery, beta, bold, button. Cache, calculation, calendar, cancel, caption, click, clock, content, CD, clear, copy, compression, core, cut, confirm, connection. Database, debug, decode, delete, desktop, device, document, download. Edit, enable, enter, error, exit, false, font, F, A, Q, feature, format. Help, history, hyphen, ID, install, key, LAN, language, line, link, list, location, log in, log out. Media, off, open, page, parameter, password, pixel, port, portable, preview, print. Recovery, review, reduce, region, register, remove, rename, resolution, run, save, search, security, select, send. Share, support, size, sort, speed, stop, text, time, tool. Top, transfer, translate, update, upload, user, username, version, zoom. Thank you for watching this video. Please give subscribe, share and comment.